Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MySQL database tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a backup script .page file for the one database, and with that, after creating the backup of the database, and we can create the zip file in MySQL database in Windows. So I'm using here Jump server. Jump here I have installed the MySQL. So MySQL I'm using through the Jump, and there here is a backup script, so I'll just explain one by one. So this is the starting, and here I'm just reading the timestamp I'm creating from the OS get local time, whatever the time will be the in local system, I'm getting that. And these are the important thing. Root dbuser. So what is the dbuser? So database user with the rights of the all databases, because this dbuser will create will use for the backup. And second is this one is the my database user password. So db user password should be correct. So if you have a doubt, then you just log in and try. Just you log in command prompt and anywhere, just like phpMyAdmin. So MySQL -u root -p, and this is my password is admin@. So I'm able to log in. So databases. So here I will get the list of the databases. My database password is correct. And error log path, I'm creating one folder in C drive. There I will create the error log path. So let's create one folder in C drive. So C drive, I'll just right click on that and creating a folder. So this is my folder. Here I'll just create the dump error logs.txt. Whenever I'll just export the error. And second is I'll just MySQLDump.exe path. So MySQLDump.exe path, here I path for the MySQLDump.exe file. So if file is present or not, just check with the same path. So and just check MySQLDump.exe file is present here. So file should be there. So same path. And backup path, I'm just creating one folder. So this is backup folder. So backup folder, I'm just placing with the same folder where I put it the dump error logs. So folder should be there. So check with that, twice check the folder is there or not. Folder is there and folder is empty now. Next, there is a data folder. So data folder, I'm not using here data folder, so remove for now. And the zip file. So there is I created one zipper. So this file I'm using the 7-zip for now. So 7-zip folder with me. So I'll just provide you the zip folder. So zip folder is there. There is inside the zip folder there is a 7-zip. I'm calling with the same path. Means this the path in same path I'm calling with the zip folder. So in C drive MySQL auto backup, inside there is a zip folder should be there. 7-zip should be there. So let me check. So there is a zip folder. Inside the zip folder 7ZA 7-zip is there. So next, so retain days. So how many days you want to retain the .zip file? So I'm just giving that 30 days. So these all the red parameters you can change as per your need. And there is a database, test database. So database, just one database I'm creating for the database, and same database I'll just zip for that. So next is MySQLDump.exe, same path. User, I'm just user already defined. There is a user defined is root. Similar, all the variable is defined above, just like password, and error log path is defined above. db name is defined here, and backup folder path is defined in above. This is a backup folder path. Here all the backup will come. Then db name, then timestamps I already defined here. This is the defined here. So timestamp .sql. So file backup will be the .sql file, and 2, I'll just creating the log. If anything goes wrong and I will get an error, then log file will be created there. Log file, any log file created, but the initial size will be 0 if log file doesn't contain any error log. If any log will come, then it will create that. And .zip option, but not in. So zipper, I'm just using the zipper. I defined that one 7-zip and .tzip, and just I'm placing the backup folder. I'm just placing the backup folder, full backup name, then timestamp .zip, and here I'm just giving the backup folder path. So in this part, after creating that, I'm just deleting all the SQL files. So deleting SQL file is the del and .extend backup folder name .sql, like the deleting all the logs. So I'm creating the log, so I have to delete all the log. So delete, same thing I'm doing, extension will be log. And here, after deleting that, I'm just checking with the return date. So there is a 30 days for file. I'm just looping that, and I'm just checking the 30 days here, and CMD if 30 days, more than 30 days, then command prompt I'm just delete, and then @path. So I'm deleting all the files from them. So this is my code. I'm just copying the code, and I'll create the batch file. So just Control C, go there, and just I'll create one file. MySQL .txt is there. So I have to create the .bat file. I'm changing the extension bat. If extension is not visible, then go to the view and option and change the folder file option. Here you will get view tab, and here just it will be checked. So uncheck the hide extension for non-file types. So apply and OK. You will be able to see the file extension here. So right click on that, edit. I'm just pasting the code, Control C, save. I'm just running this code. So right click on that, just open. Let me check on the folder. See, zip file is created. Okay. So I pasted the zip folder here, including that zip file is created. Right click on the zip file and just check extract here. Let me check. Inside that, you will be able to check your backup file. So the log file is 0, and backup file, just right click on the backup file, and just I'm going to open the notepad. Let me check file is correct or not. If file size is small, then it will be quite easy to open. So let me check. So table details is there, data details is there. So I have successfully created a backup file with the batch file, and created zip folder MySQL. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.